we are going to discuss about interesting person. His name Amit, and we are going to discuss about his life. Right now, he's in UK. UK means like he's London. So today we are going to talk about like his journey, why he went over there, and he has a YouTube channel. Guys, please visit his YouTube and support him. Subscribe, and we can say just watch out. He's a blogging. He's an interesting person. So let's see that your journey, brother. Like where are you calling from, and why did you shift it in London? And please talk about everything, your culture in London, culture, your favorite, I mean your friend circle, your study, your background, everything. Please, we will discuss about today because you are interesting person, so
Okay,
please join me.
my name is Amit Kumar Singh, and present time I live in UK. And first of all, I gonna talk about education. And I actually first education my in India. I have completed my diploma. Then I worked in company, and I have a 2 years experience. Then my brother plan about me, and you should be studies in London.
Okay, that's good. Uh-huh.
And do you have any according question? You can ask me.
Okay, so I want to ask you, brother, like why did you choose a London? I mean, it's so far, brother.
Yeah, yeah,
Why
yeah.
did you not
Actually, yeah, actually, yeah,
like about doing engineer? Yeah,
yeah,
tell me.
yeah. Actually, the means good question you, and I wanna explain your question. Actually, a lot of the people suggest me, and why are you going UK for the further study? Okay, but if I studies in India, then I can't knowledge practical knowledge, only
Okay.
theoretical knowledge. I'm right.
Oh, I
Yeah, actually, I have completed also diploma. That's I guessing if I future study in India, that is not better for me. Okay.
oh, I
Yeah, then I need to practical knowledge. A lot of the people, a lot of the student in India, and a lot means he has means more qualification, like a lot of the qualification, but he could not get a job
okay.
because
Oh,
because because he has no knowledge about the company, about the machinery knowledge. That's why I plan that time. Then I prepare in IELTS exam. Okay,
okay.
but only I attended the IELTS exam only 2 days. Okay,
Uh-huh.
and then COVID-19, because of COVID-19, then I left the exam. Then
Okay, fine, brother. So, brother, like which year you went over there? Which year?
sorry for that again.
I'm asking like when did you go in London, India to London? Which year you went over there?
Oh, means I'm not
Yeah,
under.
like
I,
I'm telling, when
yeah.
did you go over there? When did you go? India to
Oh,
London?
when? Oh,
Like
when?
last year,
Yeah.
four,
How long?
four,
Yeah. Only I arrived in UK 7th September 2020. Only 6 months.
last year, previous year you went over there, and
I,
okay, fine. So, brother, before London, okay. So, how much rupees you spend about your college fee, about your like yourself,
yeah,
about your study? I mean, how much rupees
yeah.
you
Good
spend?
question. Good question for the studies. Like actually, a lot of the money I spent for the studies. Fifth means I still I spend money 18 lakh rupees one
Oh
year.
my God, this is too much. 18 lakh rupees you spend
Yeah,
as
expand.
a study.
Actually, when arrived on UK before 13 lakh rupees. Okay, then arrived in UK. Okay, then means I have completed my 6 semester, one semester complete. Then I paid fee 6 lakh rupees.
Oh my God,
One
so much expensive. I know that like London country is like so expensive. If you want to study over there, if you want to stay with people over there, then we have to invest too much rupees. We can say we have to, like it's a requirement, like lots of amount. So,
yeah, yeah,
brother,
yeah.
8 lakh rupees you spend. So how many years? Like 15 lakh
No, yeah,
rupees.
yeah.
Yeah,
Course of duration my 3 years.
only 3 year. And
Yeah.
whole 3 year, like you invested all amount like 18 lakh rupees.
No 18 lakh rupees, 36 lakh rupees.
36 lakhs.
Yeah, 36 lakh.
Yeah, per year 18. Per year
No,
18, I
no, no.
think.
Not per year 12 lakh, but 6 lakh my expensive, like means visa and insurance. With only 2 lakh rupees, only body insurance per year.
Oh my God, serious 36 lakh. It's a
Yeah.
huge of amount, brother.
Only
I couldn't expect like this is, so how did you manage, brother? Like I know that this is personal question, but I'm just asking like, it's this is too much amount. 30 lakh rupees, 36 lakh rupees means we can say, like we go to blank, you know?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, when I went to bank for pay fees, then my bank manager asked me that time, and why means why you're going out of India? Okay, okay. You should be studies in India. Okay, my bank manager is very like too much inquiry.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
and how to get too much money, where how to get too much money. Okay, then I told me everything. Then my bank manager told me, first you make
Okay.
application. Yeah, then I give that time, then I give an application, and everything's account number, university, and everything's link on write down from application. Then agreed my bank manager, then transfer.
Yeah, I know that this is like it's necessary to
No,
paperwork.
yeah,
If
actually
yeah,
I
tell me.
sold I sold properties. Some I
Oh
sold,
my, oh my
and
God, seriously, I'm
properties.
crying, brother. I'm crying for
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
Like,
yeah. Yeah, everybody inspire me, and it's very inspired for you. Actually, how to manage money, and you also sold the properties. Okay, but this is a potential. I can do it anything. Okay, I mean, as well as I do the job, part-time job. Okay, and I
okay,
mean, I can half earn, but not a full earn. And I think per year I take 6 lakh rupees per year from home.
oh, I see. This is interesting, brother. Seriously, like whenever I'm listening your story, it's like make me sad, brother. I feel to like you did this, you sold a property, then after that you collected too much amount, like 36 lakh rupee, then went to in London, India to London. Okay, fine, brother. So
And
in your site, like, are you working over there? Like, are you managing something? You study and beside doing a job, are you doing over
yeah,
there
yeah,
in London?
yeah, right question. Actually, right now means every day I work 6 hours. Okay,
6 hours.
yeah, 6 hour, and this is
Okay.
my routine, and I gonna share with you. I mean, 6 hour duties, and 6 hour 6 hour I spend the time university. Okay, and
Okay.
6 hour means I will sleep. I will sleep. Okay,
Okay.
18 hours complete. Only 3 hours self study at the room. Okay, only 2 hours, 3 hours. I spend the time everybody from everyone. That's it.
So,
My
brother,
20,
like if you are doing a part-time job over there, so how much rupees you earn per day and per month? How much rupees you earn?
per day depend on the age. Means my age this time 24-year old. Okay,
Okay.
means I can get per hour 800 rupees Indian rupees. Okay,
Per hour 800 rupees. Oh my
yeah,
God.
but
So,
but but
okay.
listen, but I get 600 rupees per hour. My university only allowed 20 hours. I can do work 20 hours, but illegal. I do the work 40 hours.
Oh my God.
Only 40
Yeah.
hours, yeah, 40 hours, 50 hours. means okay. I tell you per week my salary. Okay, I get. I think 35, 30 per week.
Okay, this is interesting, brother. So you are doing a beside
You,
job also. You are
okay,
earning a
means
decent amount.
you wanna hello? You wanna see pound note?
Yeah, of course. Please show me. Please show me. Please show me. I'm excited to like look currency, London currency,
Yeah,
because I don't know about currency over there. What's going on? Please show me.
this is a 10 pound.
Oh my God, 10 pound. Oh, I see 10 pound. 10 pounds
10 pound
means
means
like how much
1000 Indian
Indian
rupees.
rupees, brother? 10 pounds means how much Indian rupees? If we calculate how much?
1000, 1000.
1,000.
Yeah.
Oh my. Okay,
Here,
1,000.
here means like 1 rupees Indian rupees. Okay. Here 1 pound, like 1 pound is equal to Indian rupees 100 rupees. Huh.
100 rupees. Yeah. Like then 10 pound equal to 100 Indian rupees. Yeah, I see. That's great, brother.
No, no, no. 1 pound is equal to 100 rupees Indian.
Yeah, 1 pound equal to 100 rupees and 10
Yeah.
pound equal to 1,000 rupees, Indian rupees.
Yeah, yeah. This is a 20 pound, 2000.
Oh, I see. This is
This time,
interesting.
this time, 50,000 rupees I have.
Okay, you have a 15,000 rupees Indian rupees. Oh my God. Per day you are earning too much rupees over there, brother. If
So
you
I
try to
think
invest in
per
India,
day, I think 4,000, yeah, 35, only 5 hours. 5 hours.
okay, only 5 hours. Okay,
Yeah,
this is
5.
interesting, brother. If you invest in India, like any trading mark, any like share bazaar, any investment, you will become a businessman person. You will become a rich person,
So,
brother.
yeah, yeah, but I don't have knowledge. You have knowledge?
No, actually, I don't have a more knowledge about like
No, no, no. No, no. Actually, means
trading. Actually.
only I need money in September. Okay, a lot of the money before September before. Okay, okay. Then
So, brother, like what about culture in London? Culture, because like, did you meet any friend and how's going your study? What's your what's environment over there and about your university? Can you tell me a little bit?
yeah, actually,
Yeah,
this
yeah.
this time 2 or 3 friend I have, and this is he close my friend. Okay,
Mhm.
and like first friend American, and South Africa,
Yeah.
and one friend Brazil,
Okay.
Brazil, and there are 3 friends, and other friend not interested Indian boy. That's why I ignore him.
I understand. Some people they do partiality. I understand India too like that, but ignore those people. Okay, just make a good friend and just try to make a good try to do hard work over there. And seriously, brother, already you spend it too much amount. So
But
just do hard work
but
and
yeah,
prove that just
one
earn
day,
money.
yeah,
Yeah, tell me.
one day I said my friend, okay, I said my friend, and means my friend asked me, and where you live, okay, and how is your room, okay. That time I very get nervous because I living in sharing. Sorry for that. I live in basement.
Okay, in a basement. Okay.
Yeah, I live in basement, and nobody live in the basement. I am alone basement. No any student live in the basement because
Oh, I see.
because I want to increase money for pay the fee. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
in my
Over there
room
only
only
a huge of people, so that's why region they
yeah
allowed to like in a base stay at in a base like
yeah
visa. Yeah.
before 2 months ago I had a live I mean 40,000 I paid.
Okay, 14,000. This is your monthly rent.
Rent,
14,000.
but I still then I change the room. I still I give only 30,000.
Okay, only 30. Okay, 13,000. Okay. So, brother, what about your study? How's going nowadays? Are you enjoying? Are you enjoying your university?
I enjoy studies. Actually, my tutor asked me, Amit, how is you going studies? Then I something not better feel that time. Means
Okay.
then tutor said to me, why get nervous? If you any problem, then you asked me any problem, study problem, financial problem, anyway problem. Then you ask me. Then
Uh,
you tell me.
they try to help you
Yeah.
so far, so they can
But
help you. Don't.
but here tutor very different compared to India. Here tutor,
Yes.
you if you have any problem, you can call him, you can mail. Okay, just a few minutes ago, I took meeting with the teacher tutor, and then he told me, then he said to me, Amit, you have any problem according to assignment? Okay, you can mail, you can call me.
Okay, I see. So, brother, like seriously, your story is amazing. Again, I'm going to introduction your journey. First thing, like hey guys, please visit his YouTube channel. He have a a
Okay.
YouTube channel and he's doing a fantastic blogging. So
No,
please just
no,
subscribe,
actually,
support.
actually, if anybody subscribe my channel, then I give a good knowledge. Like means I will show you him like a practical room, engineering space, library. Library is very different here. Library is very different.
Visit his YouTube channel. He's going to help everyone, and he's going to like make us some kind of he's providing a good service, like about whoever learning, whoever doing a study in engineer. So please contact with him, and we can say just visit his YouTube channel and subscribe, help him, guys. So I think this is this is enough for you. Definitely,
Okay,
brother,
okay.
one day you will become a good person and you will become a big engineer, brother. Don't worry. Okay. So do hard work, keep learning, keep going. Okay.
I can
Yeah.
never forget you.
Yeah. So anyway, brother, we have to go right now, and it was amazing conversation. It was fabulous today. I'm happy with you. Seriously, your journey was fantastic, brother. So all the best. Wish I'm going to wish you okay all the best to your exam.